What are consumers? Consumers are entities that purchase products or services. Entities in this context referring to people, companies, governments, and other organizations. Consumers also hire goods and services. Consumers are humans or other economic entities that use or consume a good or service. Furthermore, consumers do not sell or hire out whatever they purchased. They bought it for their own consumption. Somebody who buys a can of Coke and then drinks it is a consumer. But someone that buys a can of Coke and then goes on to sell it is not a consumer. Consumers are the end users of a product or service. In this image, the customer is the adult, as he paid for the doll. However, his daughter is the consumer. We use the term ultimate consumer to emphasize that it is with that person that the road ends for the product. Another term that emphasizes the fact is final consumer. When newspapers mention consumers, they are usually referring to people, specifically people engaged in evaluating, acquiring, and using products to satisfy their needs and wants. Consumers are key figures in the marketplace. In fact, all the activities of the makers and sellers of goods and services are focused on consumers. Marketing professionals spend a lot of time trying to find out what consumers want and what makes them buy things. A consumer society is one in which people frequently buy new products, especially goods we don't need for survival. Most of the advanced economies are consumer societies, so are the majority of the emerging economies. Consumers place a high value on owning things. A few centuries ago, society was very different. People did not spend much time and money shopping for things they did not need. Thank you for watching this Markets Business News video on consumers.